Hello dear children, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the new lesson 18, the simple past tense. So we know already what is the meaning of past tense. Past tense means the completed action. So the action which was completed in the past is called past tense. And today we are going to learn the simple past tense. When we speak about past tense, we have four categories: simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. So we have four like this. And today we are going to see the first one, simple past tense. So when we speak about simple past tense, it is very simple, right? Subject and plus past form of verb. So we know already three forms of verbs: base form and past form and past participle form. Three forms of verbs. So when we form a sentence, we have to take the second box, past form. So here we have some examples. Look at the following sentences. She cared for us. He cooked the meals. They prayed to God. It slipped and fell. So we have four sentences here. In these four sentences, the verbs given in italics are in the simple past tense. All these verbs are in simple past, so that they have given in italic form. So when we see it carefully, all these verbs are ending with ed. Just see that ed. How to find out it's a past tense verb? When the verb is ending with ed, so that is called past tense. That we know already, we have learned already. And today, when we talk or write about the past, we add ed or d to make a verb in the past tense. This we have to listen carefully. When we talk or write about the past, we add ed or d to make a verb in the past tense. Such verbs are called regular verbs. We learned already two forms of verbs, regular or irregular verbs. So when we speak about regular verbs, all these verbs are ending with ed or d. In the base form, there will not be any ed or d. So with the base form verb, we have to add ed or d. We have to add ed or d. When the base form is already ending with e, we need to add only d. If a base form doesn't end with ed, we have to add ed there, right? So that it will become a past tense. Okay. Here we are going to have some examples, some exercises here. All these verbs are given here. It is in base form verb. We are going to make all these here 5 verbs, and here also we have 5 verbs. So all these 10 verbs, we are going to make it as a simple past tense, past form of verbs, right? To make a verb in simple past, what we are supposed to do? We have to add ed or d. I will tell you where to add ed or where we have to add only ed. I will tell you. Please listen carefully. So add ed to the following verbs to change them to the simple past tense: show, jump, wait, pray, push. All these 5 verbs are in base form. So how to change it? Show, jump, wait, pray, push. Simply all these verbs we have to add ed with that verb. Show, showed, showed. So when we add ed, so it will become as past tense. So here see the answer, showed. So this is the answer. And jump, jumped, add ed here. So jumped, jumped. And wait, add ed, waited, right? And pray, add ed with the verb, prayed. And the last one, push, add the verb, pushed. So here it is very simple. We have simply added ed with a base form verb. But here what we are going to do, add ed to the following verbs to change them to the simple past tense after doubling the last letter of each verb. Remember, dear children, here what we are supposed to do, add ed as we have done here. Same thing we are going to do here also. Add ed to the following verbs to change them to the simple past tense after doubling the verb. After doubling the verb, doubling the last letter of each verb. Double means we are going to repeat it, double that. So here it is given single letter, we are going to make them into double letter. So that's what they say here, doubling the letter, right? Here drop, dip, grab, nod, chat. What we are going to do here, drop, D-R-O-P, it's a base form verb, and when we change it as a simple past tense, D-R-O-P-P-E-D. So that's they say here, doubling the last letter of each verb. Drop. So answer will be dropped, D-R-O-P-P-E-D, dropped. Okay, and then dip again comes D-I-P-P-E-D. We made it double of each last letter. Drop, double P. Here last letter is P. And here grab, G-R-A-B, grab. So when we change it as a G-R-A-B-B-E-D, grabbed. And next one, fourth one is nod, N-O-D-D-E-D, double D-E-D, nodded. And the last one, chat, chattered, C-H-A-T-T-E-D, chattered. So when we see, observe this. Why, sir? Why do we need to add? Why do we need to double the last letter? Observe here, all these verbs, drop, dip, grab, nod, chat. So we have to listen the sound. Listen the sound. It comes draw, drop, O sound. Okay, and dip, E, I sound. Grab, A sound. Nod, again O sound. Chat, A sound. So all this comes what? A, E, I, O, U. What is that? It's a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. We have vowels. So when the last before the letter in everything. See here carefully. Last before the letter. What we have? Everything vowel letter. O vowel, I vowel, A vowel, O again vowel, T before A vowel. So when the last before the letter finishes, when the last before the letter is a vowel and sound also similar, so then last letter we have to make it double of it. So that this rule in this type of verbs, it is doubling the last letter of the verb. So in this way only we have to double the letter. We have to make it as a simple past tense. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. So in this exercises is very simple. Change the following sentences into the simple past tense with the help of the verbs you have just changed to the past tense. We can use any verbs here, but we have to bring the proper sentence. We can bring any verb here, but we have to make it the proper sentence, right? I dash with you with joy when I saw the gift. I dash with joy when I saw the gift. So we can change here, but we have to use only the past tense, simple past tense, right? I enjoyed with joy when I saw the gift, right? The next one, the priest dashed for everyone in the family. The priest prayed for everyone in the family. Okay? The rude boy dashed old lady and she fell down. What will be the answer? The rude boy pushed the old lady and she fell down. Pushed Okay, the answer comes in a proper way. And the next one, I dashed the glass bowl by mistake and broke it. Dash, I dropped by mistake. When I dropped the glass, it is broken. It broke by mistake. Molly and I dashed for a long time on the mobile. So, played for a long time on the mobile. Right? We dashed for her for a long time. We waited. Anything we can write. We waited. We called her for a long time. You can ask, we can fill any verbs here, but the sentence must make a sense. Sentence must be in a proper way. Okay? Yeah, fine. The man dashed off to sleep. Went off sleep. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. And the last one, we dashed the French fries in sauce and ate them. This is very simple. We cooked the French fries in sauce and ate them. So when we observe all these, enjoy, prayed, pushed, dropped, played, waited, went, cooked. All these 8 verbs are in simple past tense. Past tense. Okay? Simple past tense. How to find? See, all these verbs are ending with ed. Here ed, again ed, here ed, here ed, again ed here, ed, here no ed, again ed here. All these verbs are ending with ed. So this is called a regular verb. Regular verbs are always ending with ed. Irregular verbs will not be ending with ed, but all 3 forms of different. Here, go, went, gone. So see, go, went, gone. Go is a base form, went is a past tense, past form, and gone is a past participle form. So since we are using here simple past tense, we use here past tense form, right? Okay, dear children, today we have seen almost 3 exercises. Please learn them properly. The simple past tense is very important. So, learn them properly, try to make the sentence by yourself and study properly. Thank you.